Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kajiado niyamukirite ngaari 5 cia tunyaga na nduthi 20 kuuma kuri thirikari ya Korea niguo gutigirira motungata ma urigiti kaunti-ini iyo nimagacira.
I hope the relations between Kajiado County and Korea will be further strengthened in the various fields, especially in the future, some health, also the water cooperation, also for the enhancement of capacity building. We have great potential in various fields.
Uteithio uyu ukiite riri thirikari ya kaunti ya Kajiado ihotorete hari kugacirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri. Akiaria hindi ya kwamukira tunyaga tu, Gavana wa Kajiado Joseph Lelenku ni atugiritie thirikari ya Korea ni unyitaniri wa munene na thirikari yake.
It has been a journey. A number of our facilities are supported by Thirikari in Kajiado East. We want to see how we can grow this partnership in support of health. We hope in the future this will extend to water, cooperatives and other areas. And we are grateful that this morning the team is here to officially hand over. Ambassador, thank you very much. Yeah.
Lelenku augete ikinya riri ni rikuhotithia aikari kwamukagira motungata na ihenya otauria kwagirire. Girifotera Kameme TV, Jetagwo Wangui, Wadirangu.